children, let's start with chapter number 4, Importance of Books and Burials. Right, so in this chapter, I will tell you about the Vedic age, which is the next significant period in Indian history after the Indus civilization. We know about this age through ancient texts called Vedas, which were composed during this time. And these texts are like ancient books. This tells us about how people lived around 3500 years ago. The oldest Veda is called Rig Veda. It is filled with prayers and hymns. And you can say that it prays various gods. People were quite fearful for the forces of nature. Say thunder, भाई तूफान आता था, बारिश आती थी, उससे लोग बहुत घबरा जाते. Right? What's unique is that Vedas are first passed down orally and from one tradition to another, and they were only written down. Right? The Rig Veda is a special part of Veds because it contains praise and hymns, which were spoken to God, and these hymns are like conversation between people and God. So, historians have studied that Rig Veda and made some interesting discoveries. They found rivers like Byas, Satluj, Indus and Saraswati. और उन्होंने गॉडेस को वर्शिप करा. काउ और हॉर्सेस दे वर हाईली वैल्यूड इन दिस टाइम. इनकी बहुत वैल्यू थी इस टाइम पे. देन cattle, horses and chariots. So in Rig Veda, you will see how many prayers of things like cattle, horses, children, especially the sons. They were used in chariots and battles, and the cattle were seen as sign of wealth. People even fought wars for land and cows, and land was vital not just for living and farming, but also for raising cattle. When battles were won, spoils of wars were divided into three parts, and leader got the biggest share, and some went to Christ, and the rest was shared among the people. Right? Some of the wealth was used for special ceremonies, जिसको हम यजनास कहते हैं. Now society and the Vedic age. Society को हम describe करते हैं according to its culture and line. In Vedic age, people were divided into two main groups. यहाँ पे प्राइस थे जिनको हम ब्राह्मण्स कहते थे और राजास थे. जो ब्राह्मण्स थे वो जितने भी ceremonials एक्टिविटीज होती थे, रिचुअल्स होते थे, उनको परफॉर्म करते थे. And they were responsible for government. They did not live in fancy places. They collect taxes or have big army. Then we have megalith, marking the past. जो megaliths थे वो आपके past को mark करते हैं. And the Deccan in the South India, people use message stones to mark the burial sites. These stones were arranged in circles, जिनको हम megaliths कहते हैं. And most megaliths burials were underground. ठीक है, कैसे थे? Underground थे, but some were on the surface. They shared common features जैसे burying the dead with tools, weapons, horse skeleton, and gold and stone ornaments. Right? Next is archaeologists study these burial sites to learn about the past. By examining the object buried with the dead, they can understand social difference. ये एक social difference इसको आप इस पे से समझ सकते हैं. Right? Then we have burials like Inam Gaon. In Inam Gaon, if you talk about, adults were buried with the heads facing north. Some burials even happened within the houses. ठीक है, बिन houses में होते थे. Vessels with food and water were found around the dead. So unique case था, men was buried with four-legged creature इन अ क्रॉस लेग पोजिशन. ऐसे जो क्रॉस लेग पोजिशन होती थी ना, वो उसमें आपका वहां पे बरी था. दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट दिस some burials and books. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.